Frieza is dead, and the triumphant warrior Goku has returned home. But Earth isn't gonna be at peace for long.
What? My brother killed by a Saiyan? That's absurd.
Because vengeance is coming.
Plot a course for Earth.
Frieza's brother Cooler has his sights set on evening the score.
If I were you, I'd get off this planet. Trust me, you don't want any of this.
Oh, but I do say it.
And he's not just here to settle up with Goku. He's gonna wipe out the whole planet.
I'm going to turn this planet and everyone on it into dust.
Can Goku beat the most powerful being in the universe again?
No one disgraces our family and lives to tell about it.
Or is this really the end of the line?
Tell me, what should I do with this Namek?
Toonami is proud to present the Dragon Ball Z movie, Cooler's Revenge. Next Saturday night at midnight. DBZ, where it belongs.
Let's go!
Wow, now it's getting interesting.
Only Toonami on Adult Swim.